Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovations, making good progress on our interior tongue and groove ceiling projects. So, a client of ours, we built a sunroom for her, roofed the house, and she asked us to come in and cover up the popcorn ceilings with tongue and groove. The crown molding up, the bathroom. Really nice work. Guys are making excellent progress. We started this job yesterday morning. George Robertson will get in here and finish all this out for us really nicely. Another job well done. See things in progress here. Just mark the joist, cover everything up. A little more complicated in that room. So if we can help you out with your interior carpentry projects, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.